Hey, welcome back. This is Mark and my lovely assistant and little buddy Lucky. We just got back from our walk and I thought I'd sit down and film before I got tied up doing other things this evening. What I want to talk about today is renovations and recouping the money that you put into renovations. I was on the train today and I overheard a couple guys talking. One guy was talking about all these renovations he's doing to his house and the amount of money that he's spending. And his friend said to him, "Well, don't worry, you'll get all that money back when you resell. You'll recoup all of that." And the guy agreed. "Oh yeah, I'll get all that back." Well, the truth of the matter is, they're both probably wrong. It's very rare that you put money into a renovation and get 100% of that money back. The number one renovation that is good for recouping money is generally kitchens. Kitchen renovations. You'll recoup most of that money on price, typically, not always. Garage doors are another safe bet, a new garage door. There's a whole list of different renovations and the average percentage that they recoup in costs. For instance, if you put 20,000 into a renovation for a kitchen, how much of that will you get back? If you want, contact me. I can provide a whole list of statistics. I'll probably talk about it more in some future videos as well. But just bear that in mind. If you're thinking about doing renovations and reselling, you'll get some of the money back in terms of price, not necessarily all of it, but it often is a good idea to do some renovations because if you don't, maybe it doesn't have the wide appeal, the broad appeal to a lot of buyers. So if you don't do the renovations, it might sit on the market for too long. You end up losing more money than you would have in unrecouped costs. So think about that. A lot to talk about. So anyway, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more videos on this subject and others. And in the meantime, have a great day.